950 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to do 5-box break of Donruss. Last 5 boxes of Donruss that we have. Alright, good luck, guys. Some more. I know there's supposed to be a lot of products coming out next week. I don't know if that's going to happen or not for sure. We shall see. So, I'll roll through this pretty quick, just so you guys know. Retro Gary Payton. Kyle Kuzma. OG. John Collins. Champ is here. Jason Kidd. Out of $2.99 for the Knicks, Tim Hardaway Jr. Thank you. Appreciate it. Tinkle my tingle, tingle. Tingle my tingle. The Knicks, Tim Hardaway Jr. out of $2.99. Joe Johnson. What? Dikembe Hawkins. And a Back to the Future for the Orlando Magic. Victor Oladipo for the Magic. Yeah, you did. I think on Wednesday. It was the first Lonzo Ball we pulled. Ferguson, DJ Wilson, clear to take off, Malcolm Brogdon. Bam, Luke. Tracy McGrady Retro. Malik Monk. Zach Collins. Ivan Rapp. Whatever his name is. Fox. Fultz. Out of 99 for the Hornets, Michael Kidd Gilchrist. Toby pulled it for you. I know Toby's already shipped out. I think he already shipped it out. I'd have to ask him. I don't know for sure, but. Dennis Smith Jr., Josh Jackson, the rookies. I know. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Isaac, Lonzo Ball, number 1. Lonzo Ball, Lonzo Ball, Lonzo Ball. Dylan Brooks, Rob Thornwell, Gary Harris. Laurie Simmons, Jordan Bell. Cedric Sabonis for the Lakers. Significant signatures. I haven't seen him in ever. Cedric Sabonis for the Lakers. Hart, Thomas Bryant, Fox, Chris Dunn, some dudes playing basketball, Jones. Trevor Ariza out of 199, I think. 199 for the Rockets. Switchful. Klay Thompson. All-Stars. Kobe Bryant. DeMar DeRozan, Court Kings. DeMarcus Cousins, Court King. Scottie Pippen retro style. Thornwell, Tatum, Jim Jackson retro. Notorious. Joe Johnson out of 299 for the Utah Jazz. Yao Ming, Hawking. All-Star Paul Millsap. Clear for takeoff, Glenn Robinson. I hate that these cards are all upside down, all around, jump around. Stupid. Alright, box two. Good luck. And these packs suck. Doors open. The champ is here, Ray Allen. All-Star Kawhi Leonard. Otto Porter. 14. Long Reed, Tony Bradley, Russell Westbrook, clear and takeoff. Rick Barry, retro. Shut up. What an asshole. Taurean Prince out of 199 for the Atlanta Hawks. Andrew Harrison, significant signatures for the Memphis Grizzlies. Memphis Grizzlies, Andrew Harrison. Elgin Baylor, Hawking. Baconator, Switchful Thinking, Harden. Josh Jackson. All-Stars. Freaking James Harden. Tournament. Glenn Rice, retro. OG, Rookie King. Jordan Bell, Frank Mason. Paul Gasol out of 299 for the Spurs. Come on, you stupid fucker. Alright, well, it's at 299, Paul Gasol. Trust me. Trust me on that one. To the guy who got the Dante patch, my Prism one's all the way up to $3.50. Heck yeah, big money, big money. Dollar bills, y'all. The Aaron Fox. Champ is here, Sean Marion. Fultz, Key, Lowry, wishful thinking. Dennis Smith Jr., Isaac, Kevin Durant, Court King. Lonzo Ball, number 2. All-Star, Anthony Davis. Rob, Sindarius Thornwell, Tatum, Oscar Robertson, Retro. Kid Gilchrist out of 299 for the Charlotte Hornets. Yo, what? What? I'm doing Donruss basketball. Yes. Yes. Alright. That's fine. I shouldn't need you. You're good. You're good. I said you're good. I shouldn't need you. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Bye. Kid Gilchrist at 299. Some dudes playing basketball. Champ is here, Sean Marion. Hawkins, Wilt Chamberlain. Patton, Swanigan. Lonzo Ball, the rookies. Yeah, checking in. It's been Jared Allen, Leaf, Zizic, Kevin Durant, All-Star. Oh. Kevin Love, Jersey King for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Jersey Swatch. Rookie Kings, Kyle Kuzma. And out of 49, Damian Dotson for the Knicks. Raised it to 551 for you. Look at that. What a pal. Alright, box 3. OG, John Collins, Giannis, Caleb Swanigan, Jared Allen, Retro Clyde Drexler, Hassan Whiteside for the Miami Heat out of 299. Donovan Mitchell. LaMarcus Aldridge jersey swatch for the Spurs. LaMarcus Aldridge. Court Kings, Anthony Davis. Yeah, he hasn't been doing what he was doing. Reggie Miller Retro. Malik Monk, Magic Johnson All-Star. Clear for takeoff, Mr. Aaron Gordon. Fox, Fultz, Retro Walt Frazier, Hawking, Tracy McGrady. Dennis Smith. Etuan Moore out of 199 for the Pelicans. Lonzo Ball, number 3 or 4. Switchful thinking, Harden. All-Stars, James Harden. Tatum. Frank Tilikiana. Tatum. Kobe Bryant, champ is here. Baconator. Porzingis, wishful thinking. Josh Jackson. Joanna Man Evans out of 299 for the Clippers. Yeah, Hunt wasn't a high-end RPA. He was considered just a normal RPA. Pete Maravich, Hawkins, Pete Maravich twice. Zagarok, Larry Bird All-Star. Jordan Bell, Frank Mason Retro, John Stockton. Dwayne Baconator for the Hornets, rookie auto. Dwayne Bacon for the Hornets. DeMar DeRozan, Court King. That's the draft day on card version. Okay. Paul George out of 199 for the Thunder. Champions here, Kevin Durant. Steph Curry All-Star. Kyle Kuzma, Jonathan Isaac. Two boxes to go. Champ is here, Tim Duncan. Jordan Bell, All-Star Giannis. Frank Mason, Josh Hart, Thomas Bryant, Blake Griffin, Court Kings. Clear for takeoff, Zach Levine for the Bulls. Derek White, Bill Russell Retro. Marcus Aldridge out of $2.99 for the Spurs. Lonzo Ball. Bill Laimbeer. Significant signatures for the Pistons. Bill Laimbeer. Bill Laimbeer for the Pistons. And Lonzo Ball. Hawkins, George Mikan. Devin Booker, Swishfully Thinking. Tatum, All-Stars, DeRozans. Retro, Norm Nixon. Bacon, Josh Jackson, TJ Wilson, Rookie Kings. Jonathan Simmons out of $1.99, signed with the Magic. Alright, some rookies. The champ is here, David West. I think his Phoenix stuff's just high numbered. Switchful Thinking, Steph Curry. Dwayne Wade, Court Kings for the Bulls. De'Aaron Fox, Fultz, Jimmy Butler, All-Star Bulls. Isaac, Dave Dubushir, retro. I don't know what it says now. Lonzo Ball, number 43. DeMar DeRozan out of 49 for the Raptors. Mm, 49 of 49. James Harden cleared for takeoff. Bill Russell Hawking. Frank Jackson. Jason Tatum rookies. Trubisky. How about the Trubisky? Yeah, I think next week I think is the first probably solid basketball product probably. All-Stars James. I mean, I haven't really looked at it though, so hopefully it's... Yeah, the first two products that come out are Hoops and Donruss. They're kind of lower end tiers, so... But I think something comes out next week. Luminous, maybe? Luminous. Jersey Kings, Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. Something. Or Luxurious or something. Someone with an L. I don't know if it's high end or if it's kind of medium, but it definitely should be higher end than this. So, Rookie King John Collins. These are just the two low end ones. But we have to do a couple of these in order for us to be able to get some of the high end stuff. So, out of 199, Kevin Love. For the Cavs. Alright, last box. Good luck. It's wishful thinking, Harden. Yes, basically. All-Star of James Harden. Trubisky also doesn't really have a lot of receivers. Yeah, I don't think he has really any receivers. He don't have much talent around him. I mean, Jordan Howard is not bad, but for the running backs. But as far as receivers go, Trubisky. Donruss retro. Watson already had talented receivers. He had freaking DeAndre Hopkins and Will Fuller. And Not to say that champ is here, Ray Allen. Yeah, Trubisky doesn't have any. Write this name down, Rashad Penny. It will come up next year. Smith. Kawhi Leonard out of 299 for the Spurs. Upside down, MC. Significant signatures. Marcus Camby for the Portland Trailblazers. Isn't his name Robbie Anderson? Allen Iverson. Hawking. He's significant. It's Marcus Camby. Don't doubt it. Reggie Miller, Retro Series. Henry Giles, Frank Jackson, Magic Johnson. Kuzma. Clear for takeoff, Aaron Gordon. James Harden, Court Kings. Devin Booker, Court Kings. DeAndre Jordan out of 199 for the Clippers. Alright. Maury. Rick Barry. Retro. Jordan Bell, Frank Mason, the rookies, Lonzo Ball. Porzingis, Wishful Thinking, Darren Fox, Court, Rookie Kings. Kevin Durant, All-Stars. Champ is here, Sean Marion. Dennis Smith Jr. out of 49 for the Dallas Mavericks. No, it's funny that, well, I was just reading what Theo was talking about. I was like, what is he talking about? Lonzo Ball? Court Kings, Kyle Lowry. Rob, Kawhi Leonard, All-Stars. Seen enough Lonzos. Tatum, Russell Westbrook clearing takeoff. LeBron James. Looks like it's two colors. Baby patch, Jersey Kings for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Baconator. Not here, it's 2 a.m. Josh Jackson. Some dude, Hawkins, Yao Ming. It's getting late. It's getting into the wee hours. Semi out of 199 for the Boston Celtics. Semi. I just call him Semi. Alright. Up next, Black Gold. Last break of the night.